All right, so one additional thing I want you to do when you come on to on that laptop of mine is so I have this app. I pay for it. It's called Simple Posher. So I want you to go to Poshmark. I should be auto signed in, and I want you to hit kill that. Never start promotion, whatever that is. My closet. This is all the things I have listed for sale. Now, I have this extension called Simple Posher. Maybe you guys are familiar with this, I'm not sure. But it's this little circle up here with the clothes hanger inside of it. What I want you to do is I want you to, when you leave, when you're done with your work, I want you to hit this start button. And what that will do is it will share all of my listings. Does it share it? Yeah, into Poshmark. And when you share a listing in Poshmark, it will be put in the feed, the general feed more often. It will get more attention. So, and this, what this app does is it automatically, it automates that process of sharing all of my listings. So now that's what you want to do when you sign off. However, here's the other thing: when you sign on, it might still be running this program. So, and it will slow the computer down because it's constantly reloading this page. It's like a never-ending reload of this page. What the hell is this? To my followers, get rid of that. Let's see. I wonder if I just shared all of them. No, yeah, you see how it's going? So there was a share here, 614. See, it keeps populating the console. 614 now being shared, 6414. So now, here's on reverse. Suppose you guys are coming here or you want to start doing work on the computer, and you'll notice sometimes it might be slow because this is running. This takes a lot of memory, it seems like. So what you're going to want to do is hit stop, and that will stop the sharing of these. And then you can just X out of Poshmark. But then once you're done, I want you to come back to Poshmark, and I want you to once again go to my closet, and I want you to start this sharing item all over again. So you just hit start. It takes literally about 10 seconds to do this. Yeah. All right, that's it. I mean, just make sure you start it when you sign off, and you're probably going to want to stop it when you sign on because it does slow things down on Chrome.